Hey Aviators, it's Christine from DRMS Video Productions, and these are the weekly announcements for January 2025, and this is... What's going on?
Picket lines and picket signs don't punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see what's going on. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Right on. Right on. Right on.
Zari from DRMS Video Production. I'm here with
Riley.
Angelise.
How much are the yearbooks on sale for?
$50.
When do they come off sale?
They come off sale at the end of the month.
How can you purchase one?
In the office, or there's QR codes in the halls.
Thank you.
Valentine Grams.
Hi, it's Kyla of DRMS Video Productions, and I'm here with
Naomi in First Aid.
Do you have a Valentine's this year?
I do. My husband and my 5-year-old.
What do you think your Valentine is going to get you?
Probably a plant. Hopefully this Thai Monstera constellation. It's really pretty, but it's expensive plant, which you guys don't know. But yeah, and then my daughter will probably make me a little card, something from school.
And what are you going to get your Valentine?
I'm struggling, so probably need to sneak on that Amazon list. Probably some candy. My husband likes skateboard stuff, so maybe something with that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hi, it's Kyla of DRMS Video Productions, and I'm here with
Mr. Bridges.
Do you have a Valentine's this year?
I do.
What do you think you're going to get your Valentine's this year?
I actually already bought her gift. I am going to get her a puzzle.
And what do you want for Valentine's Day?
I would like a new seat cover for my car.
Okay, thank you.
Wellness tip!
test on Ancestry.com, and it turns out I'm 17% African American. But at 17% African American, I'm not from Wakanda. I'm from like Wakanda.
Show us your town aviators.
Recipe of the week.
Said I had to clear up my head, but tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared up by 3, till the walls I needed listening to me. The teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion the same as I did a few years before. They don't see the light there anymore. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in. I mean, they can't understand when they all cope with everything. And then I opened my heart in front of my friends finally. It was not what I thought, cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no room for me down at the house that we had when we were living as a 3. Now that my family's gone, I'm lost as far as I can see. They love me, I'm sure, but they're not there anymore. Where can I sleep tonight? I wanted them to end this way, and now I have to gather all the things. They don't know the problems that I bring. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in. I mean, they can't understand when they all cope with everything. And then I opened my heart in front of my friends finally. It was not what I thought, cause they're not there anymore. Said I had to clear up my head, but tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared out by 3. To the walls I know they listen to me. The teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion the same as I did a few years before. They don't see the light there anymore. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in. I mean, they can't understand when they all cope with everything. And then I opened my heart in front of my friends finally. It was not what I thought, cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no...
DRMS celebrates President's Holidays.
Can you see by the dawn? Hey, 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 hey. This ain't no game. Swing the weed makes God. Hey, hey, hey,
PE absences.
Hey aviators!
Tardy Policy. Being late to class will get you a tardy. 3 tardies get you a 10-minute detention after school. Don't want to show up? Adds up to 20 minutes. Still don't want to? Administrators give you a consequence. Get your parent to sign your tardy, but if you don't, they will be contacted. Detention will be held on Thursdays. Having 25 tardies or 3 class cuts will not allow you on school activities. Don't run out of time to class.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games, what's this all about? And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me, but I guess it was found you. Now you're gone, what am I gonna do? So empty, my heart, my soul can't go on without you. My rainy days fade away when you
Hi, I'm Zach with JMS Video Production, and I'm here with
Mr. Reams.
And what are you doing here at this school, Mr. Reams? What subject do you teach?
Science.
And what are your students learning right now?
We learn about the solar system.
And do you have any kids?
3.
And do your students like what they're doing right now?
I hope so.
All right, thank you.
Hi, I'm Jose with DRMS Video Production. I'm here with
Justin.
Sarah.
What subject is this?
Science.
Science.
What are y'all learning right now?
Planets and astronomy.
The orbit.
And what do you think you're going to be learning in the future?
More science stuff.
More science stuff.
And rate this class out of 10.
A 6.
A 5.
Thank you.
Recipe of the week.
Wellness tip.
Come on, talk to me. You can see what's going on.
Hello, mic check, mic check.
What's going